Hi, today in front of me Motorola Moto G23 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first open the Play Store application and after that tap on the search pool and enter green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, click to open the app and tap enable in settings near green Apple keyboard. Tap once on the switcher, click twice to OK and go back. Then click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now the process is finished, so let's check the new keyboard and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as all of these emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.